Naplan Year 9 Math Practice. Tom wants to buy a motorbike priced at 12,800. He pays a deposit of 20% and the balance or the remainder is paid over 24 monthly payments at $480 each. Number one, what is the value of the deposit? Number two, how much did Tom pay altogether? Number three, what is the interest charged? And number four, what is the simple interest charged per annum on the amount borrowed? Okay, so we can solve this problem in 4 parts as per the questions. So let's look at number one. We need to find out what was the value of the deposit. So the actual amount for the motorbike is 12,800. This is the price, and he's paying a deposit of 20%, so we simply multiply that by 20% and we get a value of 2,560. So what is the value of deposit? The deposit is 2,560. Let's have a look at number two. Number two, how much did Tom pay altogether? So in this case, we need to first of all find out the repayments. So repayments are split over 24 months and he's paying 480 per month. So the repayments are equal to 11,520. Okay, now we need to know how much did Tom pay altogether. So total payments would be deposit plus the repayments. So we simply add this from number 2, 11,520, and this from number 1, plus 2,560. So total payments made were 14080. So I'm just going to bracket the answers. Okay, let's look at number 3. So problem number 3, what was the interest charged? So the interest charged would be the total payments minus the motorbike price. This would be this number 3, 14080, subtract 12800, and we are left with 1280. This is the interest charged. Now let's look at number 4, which is the calculation of simple interest. So we know the formula for simple interest is I equal to P into R into N. P is the principal. Now in this case, they want to know the actual amount borrowed. And in this case, we know the actual value of the motorbike is 12,800, but he's actually paid a deposit, right? So we need to take the deposit off. So take number 1 off, which is 2,560. Take the deposit off from the bike cost. And this will tell us how much he's actually borrowing. So he's actually borrowing 10,240. This is his P. And we also know the interest I, which is from this equation over here, 1280. This is your I, I is equal to 1280. N is over a period of 24 months. This is equal to 2 years. We simply put all of these values into the formula and we need to find the value of R. So if you put all of this in the formula, we get 1280 equal to 10240 multiplied by R multiplied by 2, and that will give us the value of R, which will be equal to 0.625, or R is equal to 6.25%, which is approximately equal to 7%.